Hey friends, if you wish to view and save passwords in Microsoft Edge, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the procedure. So it's easy. Open Microsoft Edge, click on these three dots at the top right corner and select settings from the menu. Type the word password and hit enter. Now scroll down and you'll find this option for passwords here. Click on this. If you want to add a password, you can click on this option here, and then let's say you need to add it for some website like facebook.com, like a username and a password. But here's one thing that I wish to say. This is not the right way to add the password, okay? Basically, the right way to add the password is to enter the website and you'll get the option to save the password. But if you want to do it, just enter all the information. These three are necessary, category and notes are not, and then click on save. So this is one thing. And to remove that password, you can simply click on this forward pointing arrow here. It will ask for the login credentials, and then you can click on delete here to delete the password. Now, returning to the passwords page, viewing the passwords, let us say that we wanted to view the password for any one of these here. So we'll simply click on that and then click on this I symbol here. Now, I will not click on it because I don't want to reveal the username and the password both for my Netflix account. But that is what you have to do. To view the password, simply click on this I button here. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.